Hi there, friends. Today we're going to learn about managing anger. It's okay to feel angry sometimes, but it's important to express your anger in a healthy way. Imagine you're playing with a friend and they accidentally break your favorite toy. You might feel angry and want to yell at them, but yelling won't help the situation. Instead, let's learn some healthy ways to manage anger. First, take some deep breaths. This can help you calm down and think more clearly. Imagine you're blowing out candles on a birthday cake. Next, try to express your feelings in a calm and respectful way. You can say something like, "I feel angry because you broke my favorite toy." Remember, it's important to use I statements to express your feelings without blaming the other person. By taking deep breaths and expressing your feelings calmly, you can avoid getting into arguments and hurting others. Remember, it's okay to feel angry, but it's important to manage it in a healthy way.